Hello everyone and welcome back to my more important analysis videos with me, which is Pro Market Analyst at Hantec Markets on Friday 27th of July, looking at Eurodollar, which has suffered on the back of the ECB. Nothing explicit came out of the ECB meeting at all, really. Just the sense that the market may have been responding to the fact that the ECB continues to suggest that stimulus measures are going to be needed to continue. So you've seen the euro dollar sort of falling away. It was quite sharply low yesterday, and again it's sort of under a little bit of pressure today. But you're still trading within these converging trend lines of this consolidation. However, you do now start to see that the RSI is below 45, and it hasn't been below 45 for 4 weeks. So if it closes sort of in the low 40s, maybe even below 40, then you're going to sort of start to see a bit of maybe traction. And you can see that with the stochastics crossing back lower. MACD lines are not really doing a great deal at all. However, as I said, RSI below 45 is a sort of a bit of a concern, shall we say. Now, you've seen the hourly chart, which is broken below 1650. That was the low earlier this week, which has now become a basis of resistance. So old support becomes new resistance today. 1650 is that level to watch. Now, 1625 was the sort of reaction low that we saw just back end of last week. Similar sort of level we've seen initially today. So that is initial support, but to be honest, it's not a great deal of support there until 1570. 1570 is your sort of key near-term level, certainly. That's that key reaction low that we saw a couple of weeks ago, or last week actually, sorry. And if you break below, start to break that trend line, which is 1590 area, then I think you're going to start to see a little bit of more concern again. But certainly for now, it's nothing too drastic. But if you do see a bit of traction in this move to the downside, and RSI sort of falling low 40s, below 40, then you could be in for a bit of a direction near term within this trend channel, within this sideways range between 15 figure 1850. So I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you later.